Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Luis, and today we're jumping into a fascinating world, the biological approach in psychology. This is where we explore how your brain, your body, and your biology shape the way you think, feel, and behave. Whether you're falling asleep, solving a math problem, or running away from a creepy clown in your dreams, your biology is at work behind the scenes. Let's find out how. Biological psychology is all about the connection between the body and the mind. It studies how physical systems, like your brain, nervous system, and hormones, affect your behavior, emotions, and thoughts. It also looks at how these systems have evolved over time to help humans survive. Even if you're lying in bed doing nothing, your brain is still active. It's sending electrical and chemical signals through billions of cells called neurons. These signals control your breathing, heart rate, feelings, and even those weird dreams you had last night. The biological approach is based on two main ideas: that behavior, thoughts, and emotions can be explained by looking at brain function, hormones, genes, and evolution. That differences between people, like personality, intelligence, or emotional responses, can be explained biologically and through interaction with the environment. Neurons. These are the building blocks of the nervous system. They're like tiny messengers that carry electrical impulses. Each neuron has dendrites, which receive signals, an axon, which sends them, and a synapse, a tiny gap between neurons where chemical neurotransmitters pass signals. Nervous system. This includes your brain, spinal cord, and nerves throughout your body. It detects what's going on around you, makes decisions, and sends out orders to organs and muscles. It's your body's control center. Hormones. These are chemical messengers that travel through your bloodstream and affect how your body responds to situations. For example, adrenaline helps you deal with danger by making your heart beat faster and your muscles ready to run. Testosterone is mostly produced by the testes and is linked to aggression and sex drive. Estrogen, produced by the ovaries, helps regulate emotions and reproduction. Genes, these are units of heredity passed down from your parents. They're like instructions written in your DNA that tell your body how to grow and function. Genes affect things like intelligence, emotions, and even how likely you are to develop mental disorders. Let's take a real-life example. Imagine you're running a marathon. Your body releases adrenaline, which gives your muscles more energy and makes your heart beat faster. That's biology helping you survive and perform better. Now imagine you're dreaming that you're being chased, but you're not actually moving. That's because your brain has evolved to paralyze your muscles during REM sleep so you don't act out your dreams. Fun fact, the only muscles not paralyzed are the ones around your eyes. Why do we even have these systems? The answer: evolution. Thousands of years ago, humans who had helpful traits like quick thinking or better memory were more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass on their genes. This process is called natural selection. So yes, your stress during exams and your fear of spiders might be linked to ancient survival skills passed down from your ancestors. But not everyone reacts the same way. Even identical twins who share the same genes can turn out different. That's because genes and environment work together. Your culture, upbringing, experiences, and even trauma shape how your biology expresses itself. This is how we explain individual differences, like why one sibling might be calm and another anxious. Understanding the biological approach helps us answer big questions. Why do we feel emotions? Why do some people develop mental illnesses? How do medications or brain scans help us treat disorders? In the next few lessons, we'll explore 3 key studies that bring these ideas to life. We'll look at brain waves during dreams, toy preferences in monkeys, and how mindfulness can literally reshape your brain. So get ready to connect the dots. From neurons to nightmares, from hormones to happiness. This is the biological approach, and it's going to blow your mind. See you in the next video.